Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming back at you with another Boxycharm unboxing, and this is for the March box. And before I start this video, I just want to say that this box is 0.9 pounds because I get a lot of questions and I never include it, so I wanted to include it this time. And yeah, let's just jump right in. So I do get these boxes for free because I'm a Boxy babe, and I got a lot of questions about it last time I did an unboxing. So if you guys want to know more about that, I did answer one of those questions in my Q&A, so I'll have the link up here and you can check that out if you're interested. But this month's box theme is vacation. First up in the box, we'll go with this blush. So this is a Pretty Vulgar blush, and this is in the shade Make Them Blush 18 Hush Blush. I don't know. I think it's Hush Blush, and then the actual blush is Make Them Blush, which we're going to put that on now because I have no blush on. So I'm going to just take my Real Techniques brush, and this is actually a really pretty color. It's like, it's not too bright, like it's not really pink. This is like right up my alley. These things are pigmented. Hello. Brush that away a little bit. It blends out really nice. It's just really pigmented. Be careful. I really like that blush color. A lot, actually. I do have other Pretty Vulgar blushes, but they're just like too bright for me, so I don't really wear them that often. But I can see myself wearing this. Like, this is very wearable for me. I like that. So that's the Pretty Vulgar blush, and that retails for $26. Next up in the box, we have South Main 3 eye gel packs. Obviously, I can't test them out right now, but I will test them out and let you guys know how they are. These retail for $10, and it brings 3, which is good. It says they reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize eye area. Alright. So you're supposed to actually leave them on for 30 minutes. That's a long time. Because usually, like, eye gel packs are like 15 minutes, 10 minutes. And for best results, use for 3 days consecutive, so that this little pack would literally just last you 3 days. But could be a keeper. Let's see. Next up, we have the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Brush Set. So these retail for $23.15. It's an odd number. I can't open it. God. There we go. Oh. So these are the brushes. I don't think they have numbers. Oh, they do. How cute. They have like step 1, 2, and 3. So it says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3 go girl go. That's really cute. I like that a lot, actually. So next up we have the Double Decker Lashes Mascara, and it says 200% thicker lashes, 314% increase in lash curl. So I'm hoping that holds true because my eyelashes are so straight, it's pretty bad. Ooh, this is a thick tube. So that's the brush. This mascara retails for $20, and it's from Butter London, which I do like Butter London, so hopefully this will work. And last but not least, which is like the star item of this box, is the Pur Cosmetics palette that Boxycharm and Pur collaborated. So this is the palette. Why won't it open? Oh, there's tape on the side. Why is there so much tape? We'll try that again. So this is the palette. That is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This palette goes for $36. So I am going to prime my eyes off camera and I will be right back. Alright, so my eyelids are primed and set. So we are about to dive into this bad boy. And I am going to start off by taking the step 1 brush from the Vintage Cosmetics brush set. And I'm going to be taking, let's do Belle. And I'm just going to take that onto my crease. Alright, so now that bell is down, I'm going to switch brushes. I'm going to take step 2, and I am going to take this purple shade, which is BFF, and put that a little bit tighter along my crease and my outer corner. Alright, so now that BFF is down, I think I'm going to do a half cut crease. So I'm just going to take my Tarte Shape Tape on the back of my hand and cut my crease. So now I am just going to set that part of my eye with the shade Perfect, but it's like Purefect, I guess, because it's like pure. That's cute. I'm just cleaning up also around the cut crease with the step 3 smudger brush. Just kind of blending out that edge and cleaning up the top. Alright, so for my lower lash line, I'm just going to drag Belle and kind of really smoke it out because I want to add some of this blue, which is MIA, just because it's really pretty. I don't know. I feel like it would look nice here. Alright, I'm feeling this. I like it. Those eyeshadows blended like a dream. I love it. So now I'm just going to take my ColourPop Flexitarian in the inner corners. Alright, so now I am just going to curl my lashes to give this mascara a fair shot. And we're gonna put them on. I really like this mascara. I feel like it makes them look really full. So I'm just gonna take my Jouer Skinny Dip and put that on so it's kind of just like a glossy look. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. This box was pretty amazing in my opinion. I love, love, love this palette. I feel like the colors are so pigmented. Like, look at that. I love that so, so much. And I feel like the brushes really did help blend them out a lot easier. I am going to try this palette with some different brushes in some upcoming videos just to see if I can still make it work. We'll see how that goes. I really did like this blush. I feel like this is such a nice muted color, which is like right up my alley. I love, love, love that. And this mascara, I really like this. I needed a new mascara anyways because I literally ran out of the tube yesterday. So I'm feeling this mascara. This might be my new go-to mascara. And I will let you guys know what I think about these eye gel packs. We'll see how they go. But I'm overall really pleased with this month's box. Last month's box was a little bit slacking for me. But this month, I think they kicked it up a huge notch. I feel like they did a great job with this month's box. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. That would help me out greatly. And if you want to be alerted for when I post, just click the little bell next to the subscribe button and you'll get a notification when I upload, which would be amazing. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!